Good morning everyone. Welcome back. I'll continue the same exercise, surface area and volume of solids. It is exercise 16.4. I have done number 1, 2, 3. Let's do question number 5. Question number 5. The volume of cuboid is given, which is equals to 1.40 centimeter cube. Height is given, height equals to 10 centimeter, and cross section is a square. Question says that find the area of the square. Find the side of the square. So since you are given with volume and height, so we use volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is 1440. Write down the formula: length into breadth into height equal to 1440. And question says that cross section is in form of square. Cross section is in form of square, so length and breadth both are equal to E. So we write length as E, breadth as E, and height is 10 equals to 1440. Simplify this, you get A square equals to 1440 divided by 10. Cancel it. A is equals to root under 144. Square root of 144 is 12 centimeter. Therefore, height side of the square is 12 centimeter. You just need to remember the formula and condition given in the question. Cross section is a square. So length is taken as A, breadth is taken as A. Substitute, you'll get the side of the square. Question number 7. Question says that volume of cuboid, it is an important sum. Volume of cuboid is given, which is equals to 3600 centimeter square cube. Height is given. Height is equal to 12 centimeter. And question says that cross section is in form of rectangle whose length and breadth are in the ratio 4:3. Ratio of length to breadth is given 4:3. Question says that calculate the perimeter of cross section. Perimeter of cross section means you have to find the entire length. So we assume let the length and breadth be, ratio is given 4, multiply with variable x and 3x. Once you know the length and breadth, you can use the volume of cuboid 3600. Write down the formula on the left hand side. Length into breadth into height equals to 3600. Length is 4x, breadth is 3x, height is 12 equals to 3600. Simplify this. X multiplies x is x square equal to 3600 divides by 4 into 3 into 12. Cancel it. 12 3 times 36 300 times 4 25 times x square equals to 25. X is equals to root 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Once you know the value of x, find length. Length is equals to 4x. 4 into 5 is equals to 20 centimeter. Similarly, we calculate breadth. Breadth is equals to 3x. 3 into 5, which is equals to 15 centimeter. You know the length and breadth of the cross section. Question says that find perimeter. Perimeter of cross section. And cross section is in form of rectangle, and the perimeter of rectangle is twice length plus breadth. This is the formula to calculate perimeter of a rectangle. It has two length. Length plus length is 2 length plus breadth is 2 breadth. 2 is taken common, you get L plus B. Substitute the value here. It is 2, length is 20, breadth is 15. 2 multiplied by 35, which is equals to 70 centimeter. This is how we calculate the cross section of the cuboid perimeter. Question number 8 is similar. You can do it yourself. Look at question number 9. Length of a longest rod which can be kept inside a rectangular box is 17 centimeter. You can draw a diagram if you don't understand it. You draw a cuboid. The length of the longest rod kept inside means diagonal is given, which is equal to 17 centimeter. If the inner length and breadth of the box is 12 and 8, question says that find inner height. If you look at this given question and the diagram here, you know diagonal is given, which is equal to 17 centimeter. Length is given 12 centimeter. Breadth is given 8 centimeter. Question says that calculate height. Use diagonal formula to calculate height. D equals to root A squared plus B squared plus H squared. Substitute the value. It is 17 root 12 whole square 8 whole square. You have to calculate height. Remove square root from the right hand side, and we can remove it by squaring both sides. And as you square both sides, root cancels from the right hand side. Or you can do like this: 12 whole square plus 8 whole square, height square, whole square, square and root cancels. 17 square is 289, 12 square is 144, 8 square is 64. Height you have to calculate. Simplify it. 289 minus, add these two and take it other side. 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1, 2. It is 208 equal to h square. Make h square the subject of formula. Subtract this. You get 81. H equals to root under 81. Square root of 81 is 9 centimeter. The height of the box is 9 centimeter. Write down the values given in the question and see what is asked to calculate. These given values will tell you which formula to use. Since in the question you have diagonal, so we use diagonal formula to calculate the height. Question number 10 is easy. Question says that calculate capacity. Capacity means you have to find the volume. Area of inner tin foil means you have to calculate total surface area. Look at question number 11 is an important sum. The internal measurement of box. So you write box here. Internal measurement is given, length is 20 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter, and 16 breadth is 16 centimeter, and height is 24 centimeter. Question says that how many 4 centimeter cubes you are given with cube. Side of the cube is 4 centimeter. Question says that how many cubes can be put inside the box. You have a cuboid. In this cuboid we are keeping square cubes. So how many cubes can be fit into this? So what do? We straight away do the calculation, number of cubes. Since we are calculating cubes, so its volume must be kept at denominator, volume of cubes. It is put into the box, volume of cuboid, because box is in form of cuboid. It is length into breadth into height, and volume of cube is a cube. Length is 20, breadth is 16. 20 divided by side is 4. Cancel it. 4 5 times 20, 4 times 16, 4 5 times 20. You multiply this, you get 100 cubes. 100 small cubes are put inside this cuboid. Look at question number 14. Read the question carefully. A cube of 11 centimeter is immersed completely in a rectangular vessel containing water. If the dimension of the vessel is given, find the rise in the label of water in centimeter. So you have a rectangular cuboid. This rectangular cuboid contains water. Cube of H, 1 cube is immersed inside. And as we are immersing cube inside, the rise in the level of water is there. Water level increases. So you need to calculate by how much there is rise in the level of water. So you write one side cuboid, because the vessel is in form of cuboid. Side of the cube is given 11 centimeter. Length of the vessel is given, which is equals to 15 centimeter. Breadth is given, which is equals to 12 centimeter. Question says that calculate the rise in the level of water. Water is rising because of the volume of cube, and you have to find the dimension. So volume of water is equal to volume of cube. Because of cube immersed, there is rise in the level of water. Volume of water means it is in shape of cuboid. Length into breadth into height. Cube is a cube. Length is 15. Breadth is 12. You have to calculate height. 11, 11, 11. Height is equals to 11 into 11 into 11 divides by 15 into 12. You calculate this. The numbers are not divisible. You multiply it. 11 into 11 is 121. Multiply again by 11, 1331, which is equals to 1331 divides by, multiply this, 15 with 12. 15 into 2 is 30, 15 into 1 is 15, 0, 8, 1. It is 180. Divide it. 1331 divides by 180. 10 times is more, so you try 9 times. 0, 9 into 8 is 72, 7, 9, 16, it is coming more. Try 5 times. 0, 90, it's coming less. Try 7 times. 7, 0, 7, 7, 8, 56, 5, 7, 12. Try 8 times. 8, 0, 8 into 8 is 64, 6, 8, 6, 14, it is coming more. So it is 7 times. 7 into 0 is 0, 7 into 8 is 56, 5, 7 plus 5 is 12. 1, 13, 7, put decimal, increase 0. 18, 5 times is 90. 18, 4 times. 8 into 4 is 32, 3, 7 is coming more, so 3 times. The value is approximately equals to 7.3 centimeter. Rise in the level of water. So please practice these sums. Go through the formula based. So you need to practice the similar sums again. You can change the dimensions. You can take suitable values and calculate yourself. Thank you very much. Stay safe.